Hello everyone, how are you? Today I'm here before you with the third part of Haldi's adventure, and the competency focused is writing. Students, can you tell me what are these? These are the alphabets and they are capital letters. Now can you tell me what are these? Yes, they are the small alphabets. Now, children, do you know why we learn these alphabets in two ways, big and small? Do you know that? So, students, do you know why we need to learn alphabets in both forms, capital and small? Have you ever thought of that? Today I am telling you about this. You can see here that in this paragraph, if you'll read it from here, one morning as Haldi walked to school, she met a giraffe. The giraffe wore big glasses and held a book in his hand. He smiled and said, "Good morning, Haldi. My name is Smiley," said the giraffe. Now here you can see that some of the letters, कुछ letters यहाँ पे capital में लिखे हुए हैं and some are written in small letters. Like you can see the first letter O is written in capital, and after that everything else is written in small. Then again you can see here that the first letter of Haldi is written in capital, and after that all of them are written in small. Okay, then you can see after this full stop, again this T is in capital letter, and after that everything is in small letter. Then again after this full stop you can find H in capital letter. Okay, and then you can see here G is written in capital and H is again written in capital. Okay, so here you can see that after this full stop M is written in capital and this S is written in capital. Okay, so can you observe something from this? आपको कुछ समझ में आ रहा है कि ये कैपिटल लेटर्स क्यों यूज़ करे हैं बीच बीच में? As you can see that whenever a sentence starts, you can see that here the sentence is starting. Okay, the sentence is starting from here, so we will use a capital letter here. Okay, as you can see that after a full stop a new sentence start. जब भी full stop लगा होता है कहीं पर तो उसके बाद एक new sentence start होता है. So here the new sentence is again starting with a capital letter, and when this sentence is finishing here, then again a new sentence is starting from the capital letter. Then here also a new sentence is starting from capital letter. So you can find it out that whenever a new sentence start, we always start it with capital letter. जब भी हम एक new sentence शुरू करेंगे उसे capital letter से start करेंगे. Okay, but this is understood. Okay, but here Haldi, this word is not starting a new sentence. Then why this Haldi is written in capital letter? Can you tell me? And if you will see here that Smiley's S is also in capital letter, because Haldi and Smiley both are the names. Okay, whenever we write someone's name, we always write them in capital letter. यहाँ Haldi is the name of that girl and Smiley is the name of the giraffe. So both are the names. So we always start the name of someone with a capital letter. Okay. Now here you can see in the this paragraph, yes, said Haldi, I go to school on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays. On Saturdays I play games at school. I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya. Now if you will see here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These words are also starting with a capital letter. Can you tell me why? Yes, because these are also the name of the days of week. Okay, so these are some special names which starts with a capital letter. Okay, like if you can see here, I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya. Kendriya Vidyalaya is the name of a school. So the school's names also starts with capital letter. School के name, किसी building का name, किसी place का name, all these names starts with capital letter. Okay, as you can see here, I am going to Jaipur. Jaipur is a place. Okay, जगह का नाम है एक. So Jaipur is a place, so we will write it in capital letter. We will start it with capital letter. To my grandmother's home in the month of November. Now November is also a special name. It is the name of a month, so it will also start with capital letter. To celebrate Diwali. Now Diwali is the name of a festival. Again, it is also a special name. So we will start this also with a capital letter. Okay, so here you can see that the names of the days of week, the names of months, the names of any school or building or a place, these are all starts with a capital letter. Okay. Now let's see when do we use a capital letter. As we have already discussed that where we can use a capital letter. See, a sentence always begin with a capital letter. As I have told you that whenever we start a new sentence, it will always start with a capital letter. Okay, अभी हमने देखा भी पैराग्राफ में that whenever a new sentence starts, जब भी एक new sentence शुरू होता है, either it's a first sentence or it is coming after a full stop, it will start with a capital letter. Okay. Then the second thing is that the name of a person, the name of any person will always begin with a capital letter. Like my name Sunita, it will begin with a capital S. If you and your names, like if someone's name is Rita, so it will begin with a capital letter. If someone's name is Rahul, so it will also begin with a capital letter. Okay, so the names of person also begin with capital letters. The name of any place also begins with a capital letter. Places like कोई भी जगह का नाम, like Delhi, Assam, India, Australia, किसी भी country का नाम, किसी भी place का नाम, it will also start with a capital letter. Okay, now here you can see special names like names of months, days of the week, festivals, subjects, etc. also begin with a capital letter, like Christmas, June, Sunday, etc. So there are some special names also. Special names means जैसे days of the week, months of an year. Okay, the names of the festivals, the names of the subjects like English, Hindi, maths. So these are called the special names, and ये जो special names होते हैं, they also starts with a capital letter. Now let's see how we can rewrite the names in capital letters. See, here you can see the name is Jack. It is a name of a person, so we will always write it like this. Okay, we can never start this with small letter. It will always start with a capital letter. Now here you can see that the name of a person is Man Singh. Okay, so when we will write it in capital letter, we will not just write this M in capital, we will write the S also in capital, because the surname will also come in capital letter. Okay, both these are the part of his name, so both of them will come in capital letter. आपको दोनों first name and surname दोनों को ही capital letter से start करना है. India. Now India is the name of a place, it's a country, so we will write it like this in starting with a capital letter. January, it's the name of a month, we will start it with capital letter. Then it's Saturday, name of the day of a week, we will start it with capital letter. Holi is a festival. Holi will also start with a capital letter. And Hindi. Will also start with a capital letter because it's the name of a subject. Now here is an assignment for you. This is a question of your book itself. You can see Haldi wrote her name at school in this way. Haldi ने स्कूल में अपना नेम इस तरीके से लिखा. She wrote it in this way. She made one mistake. She has done a mistake here while writing this. What was it? आपको पता करना है कि वो कौन सी mistake है. I think all of you have understood that what mistake she has done. So what you have to do, write her name correctly. Here you have to write her name correctly. हल्दी ने एक मिस्टेक करी है, आपको वो मिस्टेक करेक्ट करके you will write it here. Now write your name correctly. Now here what you have to do, you have to write your name correctly. If your name is Rahul, so you will write here Rahul. Okay, you have to write your name here. Now ending a sentence. See, we have learned that how we have to start a sentence. We have to start a sentence by a capital letter, but how we have to end a sentence? Here you can see, that is good, said the giraffe. I love books too. Now this sentence is ending here, and how it is ending? It is ending with a full stop. जब भी एक sentence end होता है, it always ends with a full stop. जब तक एक sentence में full stop नहीं लगेगा, we will never say that it is finished. Okay, so we find out that a sentence has been finished by looking at this full stop. Okay, so here you can see they are lots of fun. Here there is a full stop, that means this sentence is completed. Okay, then when the new word will start, it will start with a capital letter. Now jump on my back. Here also we can see a full stop, that means this sentence is also finished here. I will take you to school. Again a full stop, that means the sentence is completed here. Okay, so we always end a sentence with a full stop. जब भी एक sentence end होगा, उसके end में एक full stop ज़रूर लगा होगा. अगर वहाँ पे full stop नहीं लगा है, that means वो sentence अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. Okay, write the sentences correctly using capital letters and full stop. See this sentence, my birthday is in February. If you have to write it correctly, how will you write it? You can see that here my is the first word of the sentence, so it will come in capital letter, right? M should be in capital letter. Then my birthday is in February. Here February is a special name which will come in capital, and we have to end this sentence with a full stop. Okay, then see the next sentence, I live in Delhi. Here you will write this I in capital letter, then D will also come in capital, and then full stop. Then see this is Ravi's house. Here the sentence is starting from T, so we will write this T in capital. Then Ravi is a name, we will write this R in capital, and then the sentence is ending here, so we will put a full stop here. Okay, this is Ravi's house. See the next one, today is Monday. Here you can see that today is Monday. Here today is the first word of the sentence, so the T will be in capital letter, and Monday is a special name, it will also come in capital, and then a full stop. So today is Monday. Okay, again an assignment for you. Here you can see that Haldi wrote I met a giraffe. हल्दी ने ये लिखा है I met a giraffe. She made 2 mistakes. What are they? Write हल्दी sentence correctly. हल्दी ने यहाँ पर 2 mistakes करी हैं. ओके, आपको वो mistake करेक्ट करके यहाँ ये sentence दोबारा से लिखना है. So this is your assignment. You will do it yourself. Okay. Thank you children for watching this video. Bye bye.